Hello, young artists! Get ready for a fun ride as we draw a special CNG auto rickshaw today. Let's rev up our creativity and dive into this colorful adventure. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's begin by sketching the body of our lively auto rickshaw. First, the body. Then the essential features, headlights, and two sturdy wheels. Continue by drawing the front windshield and side doors. Let's not forget the comfy seat inside and the crucial handle to steer the way.
Cool!
Our auto rickshaw is taking shape. Complete the outline, making it bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Bring out those vibrant color pens. As we add color, let's name each hue.
Awesome!
Yellow color. Blue color. Bottle green color. Pink color. Orange color. Gray color. pretty green color. Red color.
Wow!
Superb job, little artists! You've painted a delightful auto rickshaw with your imagination. Keep exploring, keep drawing, and keep those wheels of creativity spinning. Until next time, happy drawing and keep on rolling! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.